Ministry of Science and Technology. The Ministry of Science and Technology is a government ministry in India responsible for the formulation and administration of policies and programs related to science and technology in the country. It was established in 1971 and is headquartered in New Delhi. The Ministry of Science and Technology has several departments and agencies under its purview, including the Department of Science and Technology, DST, the Department of Biotechnology, DBT, and the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR, among others. These organizations work towards promoting scientific research and development in various fields, including agriculture, healthcare, energy, and environment. The DST is responsible for the promotion and funding of basic research in science and technology, while the DBT focuses on the development and application of biotechnology in areas such as agriculture, health, and industry. The CSIR is India's largest research and development organization, with a mandate to develop new technologies and products that are commercially viable. In addition to these organizations, the Ministry of Science and Technology also oversees several national-level initiatives and programs, such as the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Clean India, the National Innovation Council, and the Atal Innovation Mission, which aims to promote innovation and entrepreneurship among Indian youth. Overall, the Ministry of Science and Technology plays a crucial role in driving India's growth and development through science and technology.